Hi, and welcome to I Want to Know More. This module contains information about how to find out what hard drives are in your home computer system. The utility software we're using today is Crystal Disk Info. It's one of many available utilities downloadable for personal use. As you can see, this screen shows several hard drives installed in the system we're looking at today. The first drive up is a Seagate, looks like a 1 terabyte drive. It shows that the health status is good. For this drive, or actually for any drives, blue means good in this program, yellow means caution, red means it's probably dead. Um, it shows the temperature of the drive, always something to keep track of. As your temperatures go up, this may be an indication you need to add hard drive fans. It shows the obvious things, firmware versions, serial number, interface type, the transfer mode. In this case, the transfer mode is SATA 300, which is a little slower than the newer stuff, which is SATA 600. It shows the drive letters that are installed on the drive. It shows the rotational speed in case you want to know. It shows how many times the drive has been powered on. So this particular drive has been turned on at least 1,000 times. It shows the power on to hours. So in this case, it shows that this drive has been on for 15,000 hours. Probably that's approaching 2 years. This is a number you'll want to watch. Once this number gets up around 30,000 hours, you'll want to think about replacing your hard drive. Other items, more specifically, things like read error rates, you can see on this drive it's still quite low. No problems here. So this drive is looking like it's in pretty good shape. I'm going to move on to the next drive. In this case, a Samsung 830 at 256 gigs. It's also good. You'll note here that it doesn't give me a temperature reading. Solid state drives for some reason don't seem to care about the temperatures they run at as much as platter drives. So for this one, no worries. This thing looks like it's in good shape. You may notice that there's a lot of stuff in the lower menus that's not being read by the program, and that has to do with the device BIOS that's on the hard drive. Maybe it doesn't record that information or it doesn't send it in a way that the program will pick up. You notice this one is SATA 600, so it's the fastest current drives. There's no rotational speed because it's solid state. And of course, this looks like this drive is pretty much brand new. It's only been on 471 hours, so not a whole lot of time. It shows the same thing, reallocated sectors. It shows other things as well. And we'll talk about some of these in class, or you can look them up. Next drive up, and you can see here, this is an older Patriot Inferno. Also a solid state drive. And this one gives some more information. You notice that the BIOS on this drive is much more easily read by the program. In this case, it shows me that not only is the drive good, but it actually shows a number for life left. That means that 69% of this drive is remaining, and it's been running for 15,000 hours, so 644 days. I'll probably let it run another 15,000 hours before I'd start thinking about replacing it. It shows a couple of things. It noticed that here it shows even things like some blocks have been retired on the drive, and that means they were physically worn out. So several things can happen to these drives, but you can watch them here. It's pretty nice to be able to have the information available. Later on, we'll do another module that covers hard drive performance, so I'll see you there.